What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Looking at the real talk. I am tired. I cannot lie. I'm tired. I need my hair did. Boy, what a day. The day ain't even over with, man. I'm here to pick up a load, bro. It said between 12 and 7, bro. If I pick this load up at 7, bro, I'm not going to Florida, bro. Then I'm trying to get to the house the weekend. So why? Okay, I stay in Mississippi. Why? I'm trying to get to the house the weekend. Why give me a load going to Florida on a Thursday? I mean, on a Wednesday. See what I'm saying? Like, they tripping. I ain't been recording because I had to take care of some shit. It was so hard getting to a shower this week. I finally squeezed the shower in there, bro. I feel so amazing. And me, I'm like a clean freak. Like, I don't like to be nasty. Cause I see a lot of nasty stuff on this road. But this one, you know what I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, though. Hot. It's so hot out there. Look how beautiful the clouds look, man. See, a lot of people don't know about this spot. A lot of people don't know about this spot. I come park in this spot because I ain't finna park it. Well, you could park at the place you're going to do your pickup at, but I'm not trying to park. There's too many people there. So, a lot of people don't know about it. So, a lot of people don't know about this spot, right? Like a chill spot. Then I can order some food and they gonna come straight to me. So that's what I think I'm finna do. I'm finna order some food real quick. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. YouTube, what they do? Alright, real talk though. I'm in Florida. I gotta catch something. I ain't seen nothing like worth showing or clips of me driving and nothing like that right now, but yeah, I'm definitely in Florida. It's hot as hell. I'm finna go get some gas and go and get something to eat. I need something to do. I am tired of this, man. Just don't know, man, because I am tired, man. It ain't nothing special going on, man. I'm sure I'm finna go get something to eat. I need some gas, man. I need some gas. Speed up. Bro, speed up, bro. That's what I'm saying. Speed up, goofy. Bro. People like that. Now, I get on the interstate. Why get on the interstate, bro? I get on the highway going slow, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all, look, I kid you not. We all know big trucks not fast, bro. If you in a stick shift, yeah, you know what I'm saying, you in a stick shift, you ball. Big trucks is not fast. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. Bro, my truck, the fastest my truck go is 65. If I match like the little self-drive button, it'll go up to 69. I hate when a car, any type of vehicle, like, period. If you get on the highway and you see a big truck coming in the slow lane, your car is faster than this truck. Speed the fuck up. Like, goddamn. Like, I know y'all heard that beeping noise. You can come on the highway driving slow ahead. Like, bro, get the fuck off. I hate that. I'm not hitting brakes at all. No, sir. I'm gonna hurt the next person. But yeah, man, I see y'all when I get to the store and get something to eat in me, man. And then if I can see a beautiful view I fuck with y'all, show y'all that y'all.